In the previous module, I created this report which showed the total amount for each product in each category. But I want to analyze the revenue for each manager. Then I drag the manager to the filter. I can then go to cell B1, click on the down arrow for the filter, and I want to select multiple managers. So I check the box, select multiple items. I uncheck the box all, and then let's say I select Nancy and Ryan. When I hit OK, now this report is filtered for the two managers I selected. However, looking at cell B1, it reads multiple items. And here comes the importance of a slicer. A slicer is a graphic interactive filter. I'm going to close my pivot table field list, and instead of using the manager as a regular filter, I'm going to create a slicer. On the pivot table analyze tab, I click on insert slicer. I check the box for manager, and then I hit OK. Here is the slicer for the manager, and now I can tell visually that Nancy and Ryan are selected and represented in this report. Should you wish to clear the slicer, you just click on this funnel icon in the upper right corner. Also, when you create a slicer, you get a slicer tab to the ribbon, and this slicer tab allows you to customize the slicer. You can resize it, you can drag it, you can move it wherever you like. The slicer functionality is critical when creating a dashboard. That's why I'm going to improve the appearance of my slicer. On the slicer tab, I want to have two columns instead of one. Then I click on the up pointing arrow for the columns, and I split the managers into two columns. I can resize my slicer. I can even add a style to my slicer by going to the slicer styles, and then I can select any style I want. Should you wish to hide the header managers, then you go to the slicer tab. To the far left, you click on slicer settings, and you take the check away from display header, and then you hit OK. Now I can see my slicer. Let's test it. If I click on Cassidy, now I have Cassidy appearing in the filter. They are interacting with each other. They are connected to each other. If I want to select another manager, then I press Ctrl and click on Nancy. Should you wish to release the slicer, although you don't have headings, just click and drag across the different buttons available in your slicer. In the next module, we explore conditional formatting with pivot tables.